Statcon Energiaa brings to you the world's first and only truly made in India on-grid solar inverter, the Energiaa X3. Energiaa X3 is a 3 kW grid-tied inverter. So let us begin with the unboxing and installation. Energiaa X3 comes in a secure and attractive packaging. Inside you will find warranty card, user manual, data logger, fasteners, AC connectors, DC connectors, and your brand new Energiaa X3 inverter. Your solar plant consists of solar panel, DC AJB with SPD, solar inverter, AC distribution box with SPD, net meter, load connection and grid connection. First, prepare your solar strings as per the recommended MPPT rating of your system. After that, please mount your AC distribution box on the wall through bolts. Please ensure to connect the earthing point of the AC distribution box. Now we'll mount the DC array junction box on the wall. Make sure that this comes with an SPD or a surge protection device, which is necessary for the protection of your plant. Now we'll connect the DC positive and DC negative wires on the AJB's output. To install the Energiaa X3 inverter, first we fix the mounting brackets to the wall. Carefully fit the inverter on the bracket and ensure that it is secure. Tighten the screw on the slot provided at the right hand side of the inverter. Connect the earthing point of the inverter and ensure its tightness. To check the solar DC voltage, switch on the MCB in the AJB. To check the AC voltage, switch on the MCB in the ACDB. To check the solar string DC voltage, put the black probe in the black wire and the red probe in the red wire. The DC voltage is visible on the display of the multimeter. To check the grid AC voltage, select the AC mode on the multimeter. Put the probes in the AC connector and check the voltage on the multimeter. To connect the AC connector, first switch off the MCB in the ACDB. Then connect the AC connector to the inverter. Ensure it is properly tightened. After the AC connector is installed, now we will install the DC connector to the inverter. Install your remote monitoring data logger at the bottom side slot of your inverter. As soon as the AC MCB is switched on, your solar plant is now working. On the display, you can see time, date, solar power, PV volt, PV ampere, total solar generated, inverter ampere, inverter temperature, grid voltage, grid frequency, system on, grid connected. Know more about the Energiaa X3, its settings, troubleshootings, and installation videos in other languages by subscribing to us today.